I'm Trevor, and I'm a project management technical consultant with the Kolme Group, ClickUp's premier primary consulting partner. Today, I'm going to speak with you about what to expect in a professional services onboarding kickoff call. The agenda for this meeting will include team introductions, a high-level overview of the SOW, how to secure success to achieve your business objectives, the professional services methodology timeline, along with resources and next steps. For introductions, we'll touch on who is who on ClickUp's side, including your PS consultant, your AE, and their contact information. We'll also have brief introductions from the client side and determine who will be part of the deployment team, who are our champion users, and who the project sponsor is. Next, we'll have a high-level overview of the SOW, which includes scope and details of the package. This is very important as we want to make sure we're all on the same page regarding deliverables. This will include professional services package, project duration, start and end date, allocated hours, meeting agenda, and billable activity. We'll then jump into action items to secure success and achieve your business objectives. This step will also include some project etiquette items, such as how to cancel and reschedule meetings or providing timely project task updates. Next, we'll have our professional services methodology timeline. This gives you and the team a high-level glance at what project onboarding journey looks like in terms of meeting schedules and what an example of that looks like on a calendar. Finally, we have resources and next steps. If our next call has not been scheduled, we want to schedule that ASAP or determine if it is best to schedule a weekly reoccurring meeting. This is a crucial step as we want to make sure we are keeping the momentum moving forward after our kickoff. Best practice is to schedule a weekly reoccurring meeting, whether we use it or not, or to assign an individual on the deployment team to schedule meetings in order to keep our project moving forward and ensure we will complete the onboarding within the timeline and scope. We'll also provide a quick review of the professional services onboarding space. This will include all meeting types we have, along with agenda items and how to access our Calendly link. We provide links to ClickUp University. There will be a questions for ClickUp form and a workflow info process form to make sure our feedback and requirements are documented and well-defined. We also provide a professional services kickoff follow-up message with a copy of the kickoff recording and the deck for your reference. Finally, what are some action items to be thinking about after our kickoff? We want to be prepared and ready to answer the questions purposed at kickoff and be familiar with some basic ClickUp terminology. We want to be thinking about teams, key processes, and problems you are looking to solve, be able to communicate those items in the workflow process info form. Provide key team members and end users with access to ClickUp University links, and using ClickUp to communicate project deliverables along with utilizing the questions form to ask ClickUp functionality questions. All right, this concludes our presentation on what to expect from a ClickUp kickoff call with the Kolme Group. Thank you for your time.